Have you ever downloaded a brand new app only to hit a bug or an issue in the very first minutes? It's frustrating, right? So at Qace Academy, we believe nobody should meet that kind of disappointments. Not the user, not the developer, and definitely not you, the ambitious tester ready to make a difference. Hello world, I'm Oluwatobi Fagbongbe, founder, CEO of Qace Academy, where we turn curious minds into quality champions. When I began my QA journey, I saw two problems. One, incredible ideas that never reached their potential, and secondly, talented people who thought tech was out of reach. Qace Academy exists to close that gap. Our mission is very simple. Equip everyday people with world-class testing skills and launch them into a meaningful tech career. 1. We are an accredited training provider registered under ISQTB. 2. Our curriculum follows ISQTB standard and beyond. 3. Every lecture ends with a practicum, that is a supervised hands-on experimental learning opportunity that allows students to apply classroom knowledge in a real-world setting. And every practicum fits into a portfolio piece for each student. 4. From Lagos to Nairobi, Toronto to Kigali, US to UK, our cohorts collaborate across continents while staying rooted in community. 5. We invest in secondary school workshops, free webinars, and the annual Testboard conference, so the pipeline of talent never runs dry. If you are a student looking for direction, a professional plotting a pivot, or a company hunting for quality talent, Qace Academy was built for you. Visit qaceacademy.com to enroll, partner, or mentor. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me. I can't wait to welcome you into a community where quality isn't just a checkbox, it sees a culture. From everyone at Qace Academy, welcome to the future of testing.